The key to achieving your personal vision, or leading a group towards a common vision, is learning how to set goals. Goals are the small steps you take to make the vision real. Think about it this way. Your vision is what your future success looks like. If you can see it, you can be it. Your goals are the way you make this vision real, bit by bit.
When you have a dream about what you want to be, what you want to do, you can't then empower somebody else to really be responsible for your own dream. You have to invoke your own principles, your own set of ideas, your own plan.
It's important to understand the difference between visions and goals. Take a look at these examples. Mark Shin has a vision of designing running shoes, so he is majoring in mathematics, works at a running store, and coaches school track teams. Lance Armstrong had a vision of being a world-class cyclist. One of his goals was to qualify for the U.S. Olympic team. Diane Atkins wanted to be an accountant. Enlisting in the military was a way to get her education provided while she earned a living. Jim Lovell wanted to be an astronaut. After his training, his goal was to become one of the first astronaut pilots.
I tried for the astronaut program. I was in the initial selection for the first 7. They got down to the last 32 candidates, and I didn't make it. And then on the second go-around, I made it. We all have dreams. We all want to do something. We all want to be somebody, and many times you fail. But you just can't get yourself in a fetal position waiting for some miracle to happen. And I've always believed that God helps them who helps themselves.
NASA broke its vision of reaching the moon into 3 clear goals. There were 3 manned space programs. Each program had a specific goal to accomplish, which allowed us to systematically reach the moon. The Mercury program objective was to have manned spaceflight, test the rockets, and grow the technology. A single man rode in the Mercury capsule. The Gemini program was to further test the technology, have 2 pilots, and lengthen the time in space, and to conduct a manned spacewalk. The Apollo program had 3 pilots, with the goal of putting a man on the moon and exploring the moon with the lunar rover. Lovell became an astronaut with the Gemini program and orbited the Earth. His Apollo 8 mission was considered perfect by NASA standards. His opportunity to land on the moon came with Apollo 13, but was aborted when multiple problems arose during the flight. Lovell called Apollo 13 a successful failure, since they made it back to the Earth alive.